Hello, my name is Brenda and today I'm going to show you how to make a flower box arrangement using a floral foam, and we have some beautiful flowers to work with today. For today's project we have some beautiful fresh flowers to work with. Some gorgeous roses, these are heliotropium, and these stunning flowers are known as lion's tail. Some white geranium, ivy berries, buddleia, salvias, some rosebuds, white chrysanthemum, and for foliage we have some beautiful blue gum and some variegated pittosporum.